Hey guys, Todd with 306 Foxbody. Ever since I put my homemade cold air intake kit in, I guess the air is coming around and the bend is too close to the air meter. It's causing a hunting idle. It has to keep compensating. So I could get something called an air straightener. It's sort of a mesh that goes in before the air meter to straighten the air out. But one guy told me, clock your air meter at about a 45-degree angle. Let's see if it helps. Already loosened it off. We're going to take it for a little spin like this, and just so the air going around that bend hits the air meter differently, it might make all the difference in the world. Let's take it for a spin. I could go up to a stoplight and then the idle starts hunting. Before I put the cold air kit in that I made, it never would do that. So I could definitely see a difference, and it's already idling a lot better already. So let's take it for a spin and see what happens. Well, there you have it. Just put 125 miles on the car. It's mostly highway, but had to pull up to some stop signs and everything else, and the car, it just ran like a top. It's back to its old self. And yeah, just clocking the air meter a little bit, that made all the difference in the world. Just by having the airflow hit the air meter differently, it just ran like a top. Just clocking that air meter can make a difference. So if you put a cold air intake on, you make your own, it's not quite running right, clock that air meter 45 degrees or so one way or the other. Thanks to Shannon at Western Motorsports, he mentioned that to me. So that's Western Motorsports in Calgary. Those guys are just terrific to deal with. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope that helps somebody out, and there you have it. The cold air intake is, I'd consider it a success. So thanks for watching.